Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DigiWeb Engineers. So today we will be discussing on WordPress. So what's up? WordPress, basically it's a long platform, and in one day you cannot learn WordPress designing. So basically we need to go into several phases, like how to set up theme, how to buy domain hosting. First one is how to buy domain hosting from a best website like Hostinger. So you can go with that, because I worked on GoDaddy, I worked on many like platforms, like I worked with like Wix also. So I purchased a theme and domain from there, and I thought that maybe I can show you the dashboard also. And Wix is very heavy, and I don't think so Wix is a best platform. I prefer you to buy only like this is my paid platform, and you can check also, and it is live also, digiwebengineering.com, digiweb engineers, and you can check this website. This one is my website which is live, and I just this is my website. See, e-commerce website, fully like a small brief on where to buy domain and hosting, where to buy like so Hostinger is a good platform where you can buy domain and hosting. So main thing is Wix is a very heavy platform, and most of the things are incompatible as compared to WordPress, and WordPress is very easy platform. So before going with this two platform like Wix and WordPress, there is a free tool also where you can pro free host. This one is like a website where you can develop a landing page also for free of cost. And pro free host, it's like a free hosting platform. And if you want, then you can design and practice your website, WordPress website, in this domain. After that, if you are comfortable, if you are confident, then you can buy domain hosting from Hostinger, right? So main thing is, okay, I have designed my WordPress website, and HTML code is also embedded in that. So we were two persons working on this, so I decided to go with WordPress, and this is my WordPress platform which is paid, and I buy a domain from Hostinger by this name. So my website name is digiwebengineer.org. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, I have past 15 years of experience in digital marketing. So I started my career with Just Dial. After that, I worked with .com industry for 3 years. So I worked with IndiaMart also. I understand what is the process, what actually they are doing. I understand that even though I changed so many companies, near about 15 companies I have changed during this past 15 years. So I worked with Google Trusted Agency, India's leading manufacturing company also, like EPAC and Industrial Forms. So these were my last company where I worked for, and I was appointed as an head of digital marketing over there. So working on EPAC, so you can check epac.in website is also built in WordPress only, right? So this was the whole website which is designed in WordPress. So it looked beautiful, right? So why we shifted on WordPress, not HTML and many more? Because if you talk about WordPress is very simple and easy to use platform, right? So I decided to like launch a course where the whole of the modules are divided into each small little parts. Like I can give you the brief overview also. This is my website in which you will click on course, and here you will see and check all the courses, right? So in the left hand side there is a like menu, like if you want to go with PPC only. So I was just recently designing this website, so I thought that maybe I should share my experience with you guys, so that you can also design such a website, beautiful website. Most of the school teachers, they are confused where to go, because in the past 4 years back, I had just started giving training to people and coach them for digital marketing, right? Many real estate, I've shown 500 videos, free of cost videos. I worked so hard, and I just given a practical tutorial about how to run the campaigns, how you can get a best result on Google Ads, right? So I thought that maybe I should go with a startup where everybody cannot buy a whole course of costing near about 35,000, right? So you need to like focus on particular tool, or particular, you need to be get advanced on that tool, right? If you talk about WordPress, so you need to understand everything in WordPress, right? For you need to do practical things, right? So if you have a website or domain and hosting, you come up with me, I just train you. And here you can check that if I'll click on WordPress, so in this WordPress website, main purchase event tracking कैसे करें? So this is a just normal Hindi website, right? So you can select the language also. If you want to go with Hindi, so you can click on this, right? So WordPress website में purchase event कैसे track करें? So this is a Hindi based also, right? You can, if you are from any country, you can check this. And main thing is how you have developed. For example, most of the people, they don't get a exact knowledge what they are trying to do. Like if somebody ask me a question that, sir, okay, I just build a website, but I don't know how to track my orders, how to like implement things. I run social media ads, I don't know how to track, how to run a pixel, how to put the pixel on my header of my website, right? So there are many questions. So I thought that maybe while designing my website, I should share my experience with you, so that you can also go with WordPress. So this is my WordPress website. Right now I am just changing my all of the courses for you guys, so that you can like come up with me, and here I have divided course categories so that it would be easy for the people to if you are from 10th class, if you are from 12th class, what sort of knowledge you should have in the AI era, right? So this is a B2B D2C brand ads, like e-commerce ad. In this e-commerce, we just go with like how to create a website on Etsy, how to list your product on Miso, how to list your product on Flipkart, how to list your product on Amazon, right? So if you go with eBay, nobody talks about eBay and Etsy, right? Nobody talk about Pioneer account, how to create that Pioneer account, because in Pioneer account you need every documents, right? So in documents there is a one document by the name of IEC code, import export code. Nobody talks about this. So this is e-commerce ad, how to run ads on e-commerce also. We will going to train that also. This is a ghost traffic. This is Google ads, PPC, CPC, CPP, CPV. CPV is cost per view, and it is used for YouTube ads, right? So healthcare industry ad, legal education also. If you are an advocate and want to scale your business, how you will go with that? How you will go with use digital tools to promote yourself, to promote your name, right? So these are marketing and online training. Most of the Delhi Institute, they are training for like 85,000, 75,000. They are charging each amount. We are just going to train you about 779 or 8,000 rupees. You can get online training on NA10. In NA10, we will be going to install ngrok, we will be hosting NA10 in local server, right? So we will be performing AI WhatsApp API agent, right? Chatbot we will be implementing. And second thing is how to create WhatsApp bot on NA10, right? So performance marketing, so performance driven, your ads should show some result, right? Whatever the amount you are spending on ads, you want that result. So this is known as performance marketing. The term is used from PPC. PPC started performance marketing max campaign, right? So from there the performance marketing course is evolved, right? Core ads, nobody talk about real estate ad. One I want to include true caller ads. So nobody talks about this true caller ad, right? True caller ad manager, nobody just talk about this. So we are going to train you guys for this one, and I put down the courses also. Now I am just changing category wise course so that you can go with that, right? So social media ads, SEO, GO, EO, technology ad, Telegram ads, tour and travel, WordPress. So we can name this ghost traffic like sports ad, right? Sport ad, sports, SPORTS, sport ad mastery, sport ad mastery, right? So now we are going to update here. Now particularly I have added a post over here, and now we are going to do is we will customize and channelize all my courses. I have listed more than 50 plus courses, and we will be changing the price of this course also, because in India it is very a cheap type of everyone have learned digital marketing, and they have wasted whole market. They don't have sufficient knowledge, and they try to took some big project and wasted that project. And since the people are also not interested to run campaigns right now, so this website is my startup website where I want to tell people that you can just simply join my course and learn how to run actual ads, right? So I decided to just today I just going to channelize all my courses, and we will be going to optimize all these courses. There are more than 52 I have courses, 52 courses I have add on to this website. So we are going to edit all the courses and channelize in a system way, right? So that you guys can come up and check what sort of courses I have built for you guys. And the price is also minimum. I will start with this. I've already edited this most few courses like tour and travel, ad master courses, advanced YouTube, ad stream courses. So now we will add one more course category, YouTube stream ads. So we will be checking the spellings, YouTube streaming ad solution. So now we will be creating the slug. So what is slug? If you ask me, slug is this one part in between this after this slash, this is slug, right? So slug is, you can say, it is also known as permalink. So I have added the category YouTube stream ads. Now we will check my course category, and now we will check Truecaller ad manager, tour and travel, Telegram ad, technology, social media, EO, GU, real estate, performance marketing, legal, healthcare industry, ghost. We can include train the trainer. So I have included this train the trainer course also, and we will going to check. Ninja course is for students who have their laptop. They can join my course. This is Ninja course. So now we will be going to change the pricing for you guys, and we will be editing our 52 courses with the category, and I want to add this category into my course category, right? Every single course, so that somebody will come and ask and click onto this course, and they can select it from here only. if they have joined from desktop. In mobile view you cannot check this one. So if I'll going to refresh this, so all of the courses have been updated here. Telegram ads, technology ad, train the trainer. Okay, now if we will be going to check this, no courses is available, so we will be doing this practical things. So now we will be arranging all the 56 courses in this course category. So these are technical, so we will be click on to courses and course. So now YouTube live stream ad, we will be click on edit. I have already put down the content, course content, and the delivery which we are going to give you. Now here, what is the YouTube ad mastery? So we will be selecting this and we will be saving this, so that so this course we will be costing you about 177. Okay, for 1 month, and for this month we are just checking how many students are going to book my courses, and in this tutorial we are just dropping our course price so that you can join us and understand what sort of technical things which we are delivering to you guys practical, right? So these are my practical classes, so I'm going to edit every. So this is an advanced performance marketing ad, 60 days. So it will be 60 days, so we are dropping the price, and now we will be advanced marketing mastery program, so we will be selecting on this performance. So we are dropping this price, we have selected the course category, and now this price will be available for you guys in 5977 for 2 months. Now I have updated this course, and we are going on third one, tour and travel PPC ads. So we are going to edit on the live class tour and travel. So we have to select the course category, tour and travel domain, right? So okay, already selected, and now we are going to decrease the price. So this price is going to be 597. So I am just saving for you guys so that you can check on live. So we are decreasing the prices for you guys. Okay, from international also the same price it will be available for you guys. So you need to ask me that why I am doing this. It is only for like I'm not here. I worked for 4 years. I thought that maybe maximum to maximum students can learn. I've already trained more than 2 to 3 lakh students online and offline with the help of Henry Arbin. Also I trained so many people, and most of the people they know my name and they visit my website. I have good organic visitors to my website, even though I can check you also, and even though I get purchase also, so you can check it here. And basically this is my live practical proof. Already I have given to like YouTube more than 500 plus campaigns I have given. I have delivered the class and 500 plus videos in it, which you can check every tools like Truecaller ad, Reddit ad, Quora ad, every single campaign I have put down the